Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my amazing channel, my name is Atunike, if you don't know that. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous lovely French coil braiding hair using Xpression braiding hair to achieve these French coils. So you can see what I'm doing. I stretched the hair, I did cut too. So I use a rubber band to tie the hair when I've already measured it the same length at the middle, so that we won't dip our hand into the hot water, so that the hair will be secure and it won't scatter. So after I'm done doing that, I brushed it very well. Please make sure you detangle this hair very well, or if you don't know how to stretch out hair, you can buy pre-stretched hair. So I decided to create another color, but this is cut 3. I have the hair as leftover, but the hair is cut 3. So I was like, let me mix this silver color, or is it white, with this pink. Let me mix it together to achieve another color also, so that we can have amazing vibe of colors. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to brush the hair. So make sure you mix as you can see as I'm doing. I mix the hair. So if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to this amazing channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. And if you've not subscribed, kindly please do that. You can see the color we achieved. The color came out so good. So I'm going to be using this dark and lovely, I can't remember, leave-in conditioner. So I'll put it inside hot water, then I dip the hair into the hot water because we want a very sleek look, and I don't want to use straightener. So you can see how the hair is very sleek. Then I will brush the hair to detangle it very well. Make sure you do that. Always brush the hair, very important to do that. Then I'm going to take mousse. I'll rub mousse on my palm, then I'll rub the mousse to where I want the coils to start from. We have different kind of French coils for braiding hair. Some all the body are always coily, some only the tip. So I'm going to be achieving the one that only the tips are always coily. So that is what we want to achieve, you understand? So I'm going to be using this hair roller to achieve the tip. So you can see what I'm doing. Flat roll, do not twist the roll, flat roll. The main reason why I'm working with mousse is so that we won't have any flyaways, so that all the hair will be in one place, in the same place. That is why you have to use mousse. So I'm going to do the same to the second tip also. So this is what we are working with. This is the coils we want to achieve. Then I'll dip all the tip inside the hot water without the body. So even when you are done using this hair to braid, no need of you dipping it into the hot water again, because it's already very sleek. And again, it's very important for you to add sheen or oil when you finish dipping it into the hot water, or else it will be very dry. The coils will come out so dry. So after the hair is dry, I didn't allow it to really get dry like that. I took it out, then I left it to dry very after I took it out. But it's dry but not really dry. You understand? It's dry but not really dried. Make sure you rub oil on your palm. I mean, weave on oil or baby oil on your palm before you unravel the hair, so that it won't get scattered. You understand? So I tried to braid with the hair for you to see how the coils looks like. You understand? The coils at the tip. That is what you can see me doing in this video. Then after I finish braiding the hair, the other side, you can see I tie a knot, but my camera was not really focusing. So painful. I tie a knot. Then you're going to see what I did. Just keep on watching, guys. If you've not subscribed, this is the right time for you to do that right now. Please and please make sure you click on that subscribe button. You are still going to see the coils. So after that, I take a little bit of mousse, then I put it on the coily end so that the coils can be bouncing very well. Can you see? The coils came out so nice. Immediately I use mousse. So just think of it, when you've already braid all the hair, how will the coil come out? So that is all.